All of you, welcome back to yet another video. I really appreciate all the efforts which you guys have put me on the project, and the kind of feedback you guys have given me. It's absolutely incredible. Finally, I got a time to make a recording just like this. As you all know that I was traveling for the last 1 month, and finally I got back day before yesterday, and here I am with the video, with the camera, to take your question. I can see all the emails which you guys have sent me, all the comments which you guys have sent me, so I thought let's make a dedicated video and give you the quick update that what's going on. And I'm going to take some of the important questions which you guys have asked me throughout the email, so I was not getting time to make a dedicated video on that, but finally I'm here to make this video happen where I can take few of the questions, not all of them, because some of the questions are very technical, so I have to make a separate video for that. But finally we're going to start taking. So the very first question I have in the list, like many of you have asked the same question, that we have more than 100 plus project on our channel, and in that project we have built every single thing from scratch. We have used different technology, different framework, different models, we have utilized it. So some of you have asked me that those project is 1 years old, 2 years old, or even 3 years old. So is this project which we have on the channel is still relevant right now in 2025 or beyond? If I try to build right now, is going to work as per the updates, as per the models? And it's definitely a very valid question which you have to ask yourself before you start following any particular tutorial. So as you have noticed in all of the playlists, in all of the project which we have developed on the channels, like I focus mainly on stability, because when you will start focusing and working on the project in the industry, you're going to work on the stability first. You have to pick up the version, you have to be very selective with the packages, the model which you're going to include in your tab, whether it's a smart contract version, we're going to use OpenZipling, or you're going to take any other packages like Next.js, Web3 models, or Web3 providers like Wings we have for the world connection. So which version you have to use? So in all of this project, I try to focus on stability. So no matter when you are building any one of these projects, it will work absolutely fine. If you are building for 5 years after it's got released, like if I release a project right now and you are started following after 5 years, it will work absolutely fine, as long as you follow the exact version which I have explained, exact setup which I have explained during the entire project. So it will work absolutely fine no matter when you are developing it. It will work absolutely fine. Make sure to dig the starter file and start following straight away, in which I regularly update all the versions, so you don't need to make any changes from your end. It will work absolutely fine. So I hope you have got your answer, that is it still working or not. Yes, it will work 100%. Just follow it straight away. We have the most popular project we got on our channel, and it's very demandable at the moment in 2025 and beyond. Like the first one is crowdfunding, supply chain management, NFT marketplace, Uniswap clone, and decentralized dApp. So these are the 5 must projects you have to include in your portfolio, and these are the most stable one which I have focused into it, so it will work absolutely fine. So we already have 100 plus project which you can simply go through that and start picking which one you want to build first, but this 5 project is absolutely must. That's the first question. And the second question I got is that how was my trip? So it was good. I was trying to cover the entire south, so the traveling was really good. I traveled to many places, and it was a really good experience where I met a lot of different people. So it was a overall good experience for me, and that's the thing I want to share, because when you go to some places and the kind of experience you have, sometimes it's not, you don't have what to explain that what you have absorbed. So it was a good trip. So that's what I want to talk about my trip. And one of you are asking about the project, so definitely more project will come on the channel, so you can follow it. We already have a more than 100 plus project on the channel, so I want you to build all of those projects. So when you will build, you will have your understanding clear that what exactly happening, how you have to structure the contract, what are things come into picture when you have to build a specific business model and try to take on the blockchain. So these are the things which is very important. So again, this video is getting already long, so I'll just try to keep it short. More video will come because some of the questions are very technical, so I have to make a dedicated video on those, and I have to show you with the code and do all the optimization. So I'll definitely go through that. So that's what I have to say in this video. I hope you guys are enjoying it and following all the project. We already have tons of project on the channel, and I got an amazing feedback from all of you. Just keep following those project, and if you have any questions, shoot an email, leave a comment, so I will see and I will try to give you the response and try to answer all your comments. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any more questions, do let me in the comment section or shoot an email. We'll try to help you in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye.